People are describing other people. What are they describing? Listen and check the correct answer. 1.
So is your boss young?
He's in his 30s, I guess. About 35.
2.
It's quite long.
What color is it?
It's light brown, and it's a little curly.
3.
He's really not very tall. About 175 centimeters.
Oh, yeah. That's not so tall.
4.
He looks about 17.
No, he's older than that. He's almost 25.
No, I don't believe it. He doesn't look that old.
5.
She likes to wear it really short.
Yeah? And is it straight or curly?
Curly. Really curly. You can't miss her when you see her.
6.
Is she short?
No, she's really tall. About 180 centimeters.
7.
Is she in her teens or her 20s?
I think she's in her 20s. She's really nice. Do you want to meet her?
Yeah, sure.
8.
It's not really long, but it's very straight. And it's sometimes green.
Green?
Yeah, he sings in a rock band, I think.